Hello and welcome to Colleague 7's sprint review of 17.05.02, and hello to any new subscribers of this channel. For those unfamiliar with the setup, every fortnight we record two videos, one of which is for the development that's been delivered over the past 2 weeks, the other is for the development that has been planned for the next 2 weeks. The development that is worked on over a fortnight is referred to as a sprint, and in this video we'll review the development sprint that has been undertaken between the 17th of May to the 30th of May. We start with the sprint goal, and we're continuing to further enhance the connectivity between records, this time by introducing links to the requirement entity. We've also delivered on key updates relating to performance, security, UI updates, and options to help support our Power BI reporting development. Looking at the high-level items and to explain further, as we've done with candidate, contacts, and the company entity, we've now updated the Candidates tab on requirements to include links to all associated entities. Further to the session variables investigation from a couple of sprints back, we've applied several updates to improve performance, specifically targeting the speed of opening records and the running of selected features. We delivered some security improvements to handle cross-site scripting, and we've added an entity photo to the candidate and contact main screens, as well as social media icons to quickly access social media profiles relating to the record. We'll now go through a short demonstration on the features from this sprint. Okay, so we're going to start within the requirements area, specifically looking at the candidates tab and the update that's now been made so that you can access associated entities from this area. This is all part of the connectivity project that we put in place so that candidates and companies and contacts and requirements will all link together through this method with the icons that you can see here. So based on the candidates that have been signed here, if you want to navigate to any associated entities, be it the candidate record, the company, the contact, an interview perhaps that they've been placed against, or the offer or the placement record, those can all be accessed here with just a click, and it will take you to that associated record. The next point to cover on is regards to the performance improvements that we made to the system to improve the speed. This is best demonstrated if I perhaps go to a record quickly to show the speed associated with opening it. So before, we've seen performance delays with regards to opening records that have spanned several seconds. We've now brought that down so that it loads within a couple of seconds. As you can see here, we'll try it against more records as well. There's still some work to be done against contact records, which we're applying as part of this sprint. But what you should see is candidate records opening at a faster rate than perhaps were previously being delivered on. Another area where it's also best demonstrated is in documents received. So this area would previously take some time to load because it was going off and searching someone's entire inbox before filtering down based on this date and displaying all emails that have an associated attachment. As you can see now, it's running a lot faster based on the development improvements that we've made. So things will improve as part of this sprint update, but also they're set to improve as part of the next sprint update as well, as we bring further improvements to the contact and company entity also. Another important update that was made as part of this release was the inclusion of an entity photo against the candidate and contact area. This is assigned by uploading an image to the documents area and assigning it the document type of profile picture. If there is no profile picture, you obviously have this default graphic, but if I just demonstrate how this is added, so if I go to documents, I do have some existing images assigned here, but we'll upload a new document just for a complete demonstration. And then what we do is we assign this profile picture document type here. And then when that's complete, what we'll see is it displayed now on the personal tab. There we go. Another important feature that we added as part of this sprint was the social media links, specifically these icons that you can see here that interact with the social media links area that's off the summary page. So if I just go through how this is working now, these icons will appear as standard in grayscale format if there's not an associated social media linked with them. They'll just appear grayed out as you see them here, and they won't be landable. But if we go through the process of assigning social media URLs to these entities, then we'll go about seeing them be coloured in and obviously navigated to. So on the summary page here, you can access the social media links area here, and you've got Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter here. So if we just click on there, it will just run a lookup, looking to find that person on the social media you've selected. So if we just select there, copy that, bring that back, then we've got add new, paste, and save, and then you can see on the personal tab that that's now coloured in. If we do that again for, say, LinkedIn, click there to run that. If I just copy that link again, add new there, and save. Again, you can see these here now, and what that basically means is if you want to at any time, obviously you could just click on that and it'll open up a new tab, obviously taking you to that person's LinkedIn profile. If we go back to 7, what we'll do is just add in Twitter just to complete the demonstration. So again, we're going to this profile here, copy that, add new, paste, save, and that's now done. So back here, obviously you've got the option now to see a profile picture, and then you have all these links here to take you through to their associated social media pages from there. As always, if you have any queries or feedback, please get in touch. I'll be keen to hear from you. Also, if you're using our beta release of Colleague 7, feel free to submit your enhancement requests via the user voice integration. The next video will be the sprint plan for 17.06.01, and as before, this will contain a high-level overview on the items we intend to work on during this sprint. Thanks for watching.